Some important facts I wish I had known before investing in XRP. The broker role of XRP between different currencies, the amazing time and transaction fee of this currency that can be a game changer, and the problem of XRP in the United States. Hi, welcome to this channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about the most significant things you must know about XRP. What are relations between Ripple, RippleNet, and XRP? How are Ripple and XRP competing with Swift? And how to mine XRP? What's behind Ripple and XRP? There is a common misconception that Ripple is a cryptocurrency. Ripple itself is not a cryptocurrency, but it has a native cryptocurrency called XRP that is designed as a faster and cheaper alternative to Bitcoin. It is used on Ripple's network to rapidly transfer money between merchants and buyers who use different currencies. RippleLabs, an American technology company, created RippleNet as a platform that banks and financial institutions use to transfer XRP quickly and internationally at a lower price. Merchants, payees, and banks can transfer the local currency to XRP, send coins to a local gateway, and transfer back XRP to the merchant's accepted currency. This shortens transfer time and decreases fee for banks who may not have a direct relationship with a foreign institution, but they are both on the Ripple network. The main purpose of XRP is to be a kind of broker between different currencies, both cryptocurrencies and fiat. It should be quick and cheap to switch between currencies. How does XRP work? XRP, which is an open source blockchain, operates on the interface of peer-to-peer servers. It is supposedly capable of settling a payment in 3 to 5 seconds and handling 1,500 transactions every second. Each XRP transaction costs $0.0002 and needs a small fraction of XRP to be destroyed in the process. It means the total supply of XRP decreases over time and, in theory, maintains its value. Rather than using proof of work, transaction verification like Bitcoin, XRP transactions are verified using a unique consensus protocol in which validators compare potential transactions to the most recent version of the XRP ledger. Only transactions that are accepted as legitimate by a majority of validators are added to the ledger. This consensus mechanism functions via a group of bank-owned servers. What are the main advantages or disadvantages of XRP over other cryptocurrencies? While Ripple's centralized infrastructure concerns some in the cryptocurrency space, its fast transaction speed, low transaction costs, or low energy usage provide superior performance as a medium of exchange compared to many blockchain-based cryptocurrencies. To know the difference between XRP and other digital currencies, watch the next video. Competition with Swift. The RippleNet platform was developed as an alternative to the network that most banks use for cross-border transactions, Swift. The XRP token was used on the platform for on-demand liquidity, allowing settlement in mere seconds for international transactions. This sought to provide banks with a cheaper and faster alternative, as Swift took 30 minutes to a day or longer to conduct transactions. Swift is the dominant source of cross-border transactions used by more than 11,000 financial institutions representing more than 4 billion accounts in more than 200 countries. But RippleNet, with the help of the XRP token, has made an impact with more than 300 financial institutions in at least 45 countries signing on to use the platform. But Swift launched a new service called SwiftGo in July 2021 to compete with Ripple for faster transactions. Like RippleNet, it offers near-instant transactions for low-value cross-border payments. While SwiftGo matches the speed of the RippleNet platform, Ripple still has some key advantages. First, although the transaction is almost instant, settlement on SwiftGo still takes at least a day or more, while settlement is also instant using XRP. Second, SwiftGo has higher fees, while XRP costs next to nothing. Is XRP a good investment? There are lots of reasons why you might want to invest in Ripple. Many people think that they have to be clever investors with lots of money. but with some common sense and research, it's pretty accessible, even for beginners. I highly recommend watching the next video to find out why you should invest in XRP. Now that you're familiar with XRP, let's see which companies are partnered with it. If you want to know more about the network's key players, keep watching. At the end of this video, we'll talk about how to mine XRP. What companies are at the network? RippleNet, built on XRP token, has had more than 300 financial institutions working together with this platform, and in at least 45 countries worldwide. Here are some major financial institutions joined RippleNet. In the United States, XRP has been delisted from many exchange platforms because of the lawsuit filed against them by the Securities and Exchange Commission in December 2020. American IP addresses and traders from the United States face restrictions and trading limits on the platform. How to mine XRP? Most blockchain-based cryptocurrencies use mining as a means of distributed transaction verification. Mining typically provides security for the blockchain and introduces new currency into the market by paying verifiers for their work. XRP, however, is not created via mining. Instead, there are 100 billion XRP tokens that already exist and are regularly released to the public. Ripple reportedly owns about 6% of XRP to encourage the organization to support and promote the crypto over time. About half of XRP tokens are held in reserve for future market sales. Because XRP's transactions verification process is not proof of work or proof of stake, investors can't earn XRP via mining or via staking their holdings.